Are you someone who's experiencing shoulder pain but not sure exactly what you can do to relieve it? Hey, it's Dr. Heather here, and guess what? There's some basic simple things that you can do to help relieve that shoulder discomfort by using the foam roller, a massage ball, and even a massage gun. So what we want to do is we're going to take a look at those real quick to kind of give you guys a better sense of how to go about and do this. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so today. And if you like the stuff that you're hearing and you've liked some of the videos, please always do give it a like. And if you're interested in any of the items that you're seeing in the videos in terms of foam rollers, massage balls, and so forth, if you go down to the description box, you're going to see all those links there. So do check out those products. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to first address kind of the shoulder area. Now, when our shoulder gets really, tight, maybe we're losing range of motion, there's two things we want to look at. One is going to be our pectoral area, so that's essentially our chest. Then the other, I'm going to flip my friend Mr. Super Skeleton around, the other is going to be that shoulder blade area. Now, if you've seen some of my other videos, especially the one on bicipital tendonitis, you're going to see that we do address some of those factors. So we're going to kind of just review them. We're not going to go into great detail, but we're just going to review them a little bit here. So now the first thing we can do, we can grab our massage ball. So let's go ahead. We're going to grab that little guy. So here he is. So essentially what we would do is we're going to put the massage ball, right here, pretty much right at the pectoral area. We're going to have our arm out just like so. And we're going to push the ball into that area. You could either use your hand to do so, or you can put the ball up against the wall, arms out like that. You turn your head slightly, really kind of getting into that area as well. Now, if you do have a massage gun, you could allow that massage gun to really break down the tissue as well there too. Now, the other part that you can do once you've gone ahead and broken down the tissue there in the pectoral region is coming in here, and in the next video we went over this as well, how to really kind of use the massage ball in that neck area. And then, like I said, we want to address that scapular area. This is where the foam roller comes in, and if you check out the video on the mid-back discomfort, you're going to see how we address essentially the lat and the teres, which is coming off this area here of the scapula, the very end, the pointed end of the scap. So we do want to go ahead and address that as well. That's going to make a big difference for you guys when we look at shoulder range of motion and decreasing that discomfort that you may be feeling in that shoulder area. So like I said, those are two of the main areas that you want to address, but mainly, I'm going to be very honest with you guys, I'm going to give you away one of my biggest secrets. So mainly, if you do work that pectoral region, you're going to notice even more greater range of motion in that shoulder, because a lot of times our pec is what's entrapping that shoulder, allowing it to stay forward and not relieving the range of motion. If you have more questions regarding your own shoulder discomfort, not sure exactly what it is, what the diagnosis might be, do feel free, drop some comments down below. I'm happy to give you a quick little assessment for free and let you know my thoughts on what else could be going on. But again, guys, this was just a quick little tutorial on essentially the myofascial work you can do to relieve discomfort in that shoulder. As always, this is Dr. Heather, and if you found some value in this short little tutorial, please do give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do go ahead and do so today. And like I said, check out the neck one as well as the mid-back tutorial on the soft tissue work, because that's going to be a key component in helping relieve that shoulder discomfort even more. All right, everyone, if you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out, and I will see you in the next video.